Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
Let's
ma'am.
begin our class. Good morning. Let's start our class. As you all know that today is your CET of which chapter?
Chapter 2.
Chapter
Number
3.
5.
Trip to Bhopal.
Chapter
Sorry,
3, trip to
Bhopal.
Bhopal. So are you all ready to give the CET?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to post the link in the classroom, not in the chat box. You will go log in from the classroom and please turn it on, turn in also. Okay. And please, wherever it requires the rough calculation, do it in the notebook, then click the final answer in the Google form. So,
Okay,
okay, I posted the link. Please refresh your classroom. You will get the link in the chat in your classroom. If you're not able to log in, just please let me know. Okay. Link is there in the classroom. Please log in. Yes, Dhyan.
I have a doubt. When I go to Google, my camera automatically off.
It's okay. You do the Google form. Is there any child who's not able to log in the Google form? Please let me know. Google form already uploaded in the classroom. Please note you need to complete it in your within time period. So start doing fast. Mantra, you have joined now. Link is already posted in the classroom. CET link is there in the classroom.
sorry, ma'am.
So link is there in the classroom. Please log in.
Yes,
And I request everyone to turn on the cameras. If they don't have any problem in the camera, so please sit with your camera on.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the link. Can you send?
Link is there in the classroom. Refresh your classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
I request everyone to do your CET by your own. Don't take help from anyone. If you have any confusion, any doubt, please ask me. I'm going to present my screen and read the questions for you all. Question number 1, 3,988 plus 100. Is there any confusion in question number 1 to anyone? Is there any child who is confused in question number 1? So that I move to question number 2. Any confusion in 1? No? Okay, I'll move to the question number 2 now. 2,547 plus 3,545 plus 1,000. You have learned equal to sign, greater than sign. Yes, Manya, you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please say.
I'm not understanding the B1 question.
I'm coming on the B1 only. It is B1 only which I am explaining. Children, as you know, when there is a equal to sign, means both the sides should be same. So by looking at both the sides, which numbers are missing toward the right side? This is your left side before the equal to sign, 2,547, and in a bracket 3,545 plus 1,000. But in this side, which number is missing from your left hand side? You need to write that answer. Got it, Manya?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
C is 4,234. Subtract what so that the answer will come 0. B is 3,000 minus 568. When you subtract it, what answer you will get? Click the final answer. E. Many of you, I think you will get confused in E, so please listen it properly. 5 multiplied by 4, first you will do. Then in the answer, plus 5. So match it with the option. Are the answer 25 or 5 multiplied by 5 gives you what? 20 plus 5 gives you what? Or all the answers are correct? What is the product? What you will do in this F1, children, if it is asking product? What you will do in product? The F1.
Ma'am, it is so easy.
Find the product of 20 and 40. So which operation you will apply here to find the product? Product, yes?
I can say
Yes, say.
multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. To find the product of any numbers, you need to do the multiplication. G. In a school, there are total this much students. Out of these are boys. Find the number of girls. A book has 236 pages. How many pages will be there in 25 such books? Which is correct? We have learned this formula also, how to check our division answer. And you need to click on the correct. No answer I don't want. J is 3,902 divided by 10. This also I taught you that if a number is divided by 10, 100,000, no need to do the long division method. You can directly get the answer. If 2,230 divided by 14, what is your question? Then what is your remainder? Divide it and find. L is added. M is Ram bought 12 pencils for ₹84. What is the cost of 30 pencils? This is the cost of 12 pencils is given to you. You need to find for 30 pencils. You have learned the unitary method. First, you need to find out the cost of one. Then you need to find out the cost of many. The answer in division is called what? You need to click the answer. That answer in the division is called what? Either quotient, remainder, or the divisor. O is 7,265 multiplied by 0 is what? Find the number between 20 and 30. Madam gave 4 trophies to 40 students of her class. She has 10 trophies left also. How many trophies did she have? Pizza costs rupees 50 each, burger costs 35 each, cold drink costs 20 each. Find the cost of 2 burgers, 1 pizza and 1 soft drink. This number needs to be multiplied by 100. You should know how to multiply any number with the 10, 100 and 1000, how you will get the direct answer. Use the digits given below here and find the smallest 5-digit number. There are few sums which you need to solve and find the answer. There are few sums which you can directly click the answer.
Ma'am, what we have to do in the F1 question?
Let me read. F1, no, you need to solve it. It is, I think, 5 multiplied by 4, 1, right? No, F1 is product. Product means what you will find out in this. When you will find out product, you will multiply, you will divide, or you will plus, or you will minus. Multiply. You need to multiply 20 multiplied by 40.
Okay.
I request everyone to please turn on the cameras.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Bhavya.
ma'am, I do not understand I number.
I wait. Which is correct. I taught you know in my class that how to write the formula of checking the answer in the division. If you remember, एक formula किया था हमने division में.
Yes, ma'am.
So out of these given option, which formula is correct? Dividend equal to divisor multiply by remainder plus quotient, or dividend equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder, or divisor equal to dividend multiply by quotient plus remainder.
Okay, ma'am.
And I request other students, those who have completed their CET, they start writing tables in the notebook from 15 to 20.
Ma'am, in the big book.
Yes,
Okay.
tables 15 to 20. And please, I request you to learn tables till 20. I'll ask from you all after the summer vacations. Tables 15 to 20 in notebook, in revision notebook, big one. I have written in the chat box. Please go to the chat box. And please, I tell you, please, I request you that not to do that CET in hurry. Check your answer twice, then move it to the next question. I'm requesting to the students, please turn on your camera. Vihan Dobaria, please don't talk. If your CET is done, please write the tables. Vihan Dobaria, please don't talk.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Dania. Yes, please.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, please. Can you
Ma'am,
hear?
in the P question, in the P question, it is yes, ma'am.
Ask.
In the P question, find the number between 20 and 30. So you have written 25, 22, and 23. All of them are between 20 and 30.
I taught you yesterday how to find the between number.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yeah.
I taught you know how to find when there was one sum in our textbook also how to find the between number. When
Okay,
such
ma'am.
numbers come, we were doing no one puzzle. Got it, Dania?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mantra, please sit properly. When 13 minutes are left, I request everyone to please complete fast. Tej Kumar, remove this. Are you writing tables?
What, ma'am?
Are you writing tables in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am. We have to write tables in maths notebook or revision notebook.
Revision, the long one. (15 to 20). (11 minutes left. Do fast. If you don't know the answer of any question, please don't stuck there. Move it to the other questions. Mantra, are you writing tables? Mantra, are you writing tables?
Yes.
You have done the rough work when you have done your CET?
Yes.
Show me.
Yes.
is coming blur. Can you bring it little? Okay. Thank you. Yes, Mantra, can you put it down? Start writing tables now. My dear students, 10 minutes are left, only 9 minutes. Please do fast.
Ma'am, I am 18 Monza.
Okay. And Aradhya, I want to ask, the worksheets which you're doing by your own, and that is your handwriting in the notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is your handwriting, then it's excellent. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you show me right now also what is your handwriting? How you are writing? Show me your handwriting. I want to see. This is okay, tables. I want to see something which you have written in a cursive. You know cursive, right? Show me any page of your notebook.
Ma'am, I have not written cursive.
Show me any page of your notebook.
Ma'am, I don't write cursive only, so how I...
No, whatever you write, the way you write, show me that page.
I write and then I show you 1 minute.
Okay. Any notebook you can open and show me your handwriting, no problem. Seven minutes. Be fast now.
Ma'am, with pen or pencil?
Anything, pen or pencil. Pen better. And turn on your camera. Your camera is off.
I have submit you the worksheet.
Okay. Vishrut, Kevyan, Kashvi, Nishwa, Viva, Bhavya Sagar, I request you.
Nancy.
Yeah, wait. I request you to please practice in summer vacations about all the mathematic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Got it? Because when I check your marks, you score very less marks. So please practice. Yes, Aradhya, can you please show me?
One second.
The students who score less than 15 marks needs to practice a lot. Anna needs to practice a lot. Check your marks. Kevyan, Anna, Vishrut, Viva, Bhavya Sagar, their marks are below 15.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, show me now.
I have written.
Okay.
I have written Wednesday, Tuesday, like that.
Okay. Yeah, I request you, Aradhya, not to take help to write in the notebooks. Okay? Not to take help from anyone. Yes?
I'm not taking anyone's help.
No, because when I am checking right now your handwriting and when I check your worksheets,
Ma'am,
there is a difference in the handwriting.
I don't know proper cursive. That's why.
But that worksheets are written properly in a proper cursive. The way I write, the way the bigger person writes. So maybe you have taken the help from anyone to write it in the notebook.
No.
Ma'am,
No problem. Next time I tell you to take care of this, okay?
ma'am,
Okay, Jigar Singh.
ma'am, I've sent you the worksheet also that you have posted tomorrow.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it and revert you. Okay.
Okay.
In your breaks also, I will check the worksheets and I will send you back so you will receive it.
Okay, ma'am.
4 minutes left, Manya. Still, you need to submit. Other students also there who have not submitted yet to me. Please be little fast. Yeah, Manya submitted now. 3 minutes are left, please.
May I drink water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, Dhanya.
Do we have to send the rough work to you?
No, no.
Okay.
Very good. Excellent, Dhanya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Moksh, good 18 marks. We need to work on
I got
5.
19.
Yes, Neva got 18, Divit got 19, Granth 14 only, Neva, Vedant 17, Jigar Singh 17, Aradhya 19, Mantra 20. And these are the students who got less than 15 marks. They need to work hard. They need to practice. They need to clear the concepts. In summer break, please clear your concept based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Do lot of practice, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Divit, you taking help from someone?
No, ma'am.
You did your test by yourself?
What, ma'am?
You have done it by yourself
Yes, ma'am.
or have taken the test help from someone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I can. Ma'am, I am on 19.
Okay, students, those who have submitted, they please leave.
Ma'am.
Bye,
Yes.
ma'am.
Bye,
And
ma'am.
third
Bye,
table
ma'am.
will be mentioned. Yes, Mansa.
Bye, ma'am.